Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It. This is a New Year's collaboration between me and the girls. Comment will be pinned with the links to theirs in it. I want to take this time to turn down the TV. I want to take this time to thank everybody, my viewers, my followers, people who don't leave comments, whatever. I thank you all for being here. My subscribers, my people on Instagram that come here and watch, I thank you all very much. 2018 has been a great year, and I hope 2019 is going to even be better. And I'm going to stop at that, or I could get emotional. But it's been a great year. I've met a lot of great people. So, my mani, I'm going to do on my nails. I already have my base coat. First in Line by Sinful. On top of that, I have Hollow Smoke by Candyland Lacquer. Let me see how well you can see that. It is hollow, and I just love this. I hope the camera's really picking it up. I hope. I'm going to be using Stamping Plate by Maniology. It is Maniology MO42 for New Year's. So that's what I'm going to be stamping with. I'm going to be stamping in white from Born Pretty. And also gold from Born Pretty. I tore up a few different colored nail foils. I'm going to just try and do that over the fireworks. So we'll see how that one works. Hopefully well. I have got my scraper from Maniology. My monocle stamper. I so love this stamper. And we are going to get down to business. I don't know how many of the girls are going to be doing the collaboration. I know positively a few. So yeah, we're going to get into this. I'm a little nervous. I don't know why. This maybe because this is my final manicure for the year. I did on some swatch sticks just to practice, and now I just don't know where I want things. I think I'm going to do, let me see here. I'm going to do this one here, which is like a border, and then I'm going to do the numbers inside of it. I'm going to put this on my ring finger. Clean your stamper in between each use with a lint roller. And have your pump dispenser next to you with either acetone or remover in it. Oh lordy. Mine's a little dry there. Moisten that up. Inside of there, we are going to do some numbers. And I hope this is showing up. I really do. Let me see if I can just move the camera a little bit. There we go. I'm going to use my scraper and take off any excess image that I do not want. There we go. Let me comment down below. Let me know what everybody's going to be doing tonight with their New Year's Eve plans. I'm interested in hearing what's going on. Are you staying home? Are you going out? Let me know. Okay, I've got my 0. Going to take off the 1. and then the image above it. There's the ring finger. My next one. Oh shoot, I did that backwards. Oh no. I was supposed to put the numbers to 2000 on my middle finger, not my ring finger. That's where the 19 was supposed to go. Yeah, there ain't no way of taking it off now. Oh man. Well, we just got to revise this just a little. This now will go on my pinky finger. Not too sure how much this is going to show with it being such a shorter nail. Not too much of it. So, gotta work with what we can. I made a boo-boo. Now I'm going to go in with the white for the 19. Take out the excess off my stamper. There we go. We have got our 1. The 9 is coming up next. This year I am going to be staying home, so I'm looking forward to that. Gonna be watching the ball drop on the TV. Also, on Fox, Steve Harvey is going to be on, so that should be really hilarious. Check him out if you're going to be home near a TV. Gotta watch the ball drop on, what is it, ABC Channel 7 here in Michigan. Gotta watch that. Okay, on my other 3 fingers, because I'm doing all 5. Let's see, what did I had wrote down. I think I'm going to do the clock. Here's the clock on here where it shows 5 minutes to 12. Gotta have the clock. Okay. I'm going to stamp that on my ring finger. Don't know how well you can see that. I like it though. Now we're going to do some fireworks, I believe. Let's see, what color did I do them in? I practiced in white, okay. Whoops. And I just lost my, oh, there they are. Whew. I got nervous, I lost my foils. Pick up my fire, whoops. Oh, it didn't work. I waited too long. When you're stamping, you can't be gabbing and letting it sit there because it will dry on you. And if you can't, if you mess up the first time picking up, you can't go back and pick it up. You gotta restart over. Getting a little ahead of myself there. Okay, we got a good pickup. Putting this on the ring finger, middle finger, I'm sorry. This is where I'm going to take some of my foils, put it on, and rub it over the nail, and hopefully some of it will come off on the firework. We got different colors here. I got blue, pink, gotta have the blue. And oh, I don't know if you can even see what I'm doing. I'm sorry, I'm putting the foil on my nail and I'm rubbing over where the firework is. Yeah, a little bit transferred. Let's get the hollow. Gotta have some hollow in there too. Let me see. I picked up a little bit of, whoops, a couple of them. So, there we are so far with 4 fingers. We are going to put also on the thumb. Clean this plate. Oh, on the thumb I'm putting Happy New Year. Forgot about that one. Gotta have the Happy New Year. Got to have the Happy New Year. I'm just not too sure what color to do it in. I'm going to pause this and be right back. I'm going to take me a little potty break. Okay, we're back. I'm sorry about that. Had to get me something to drink too. I was a little parched. On the thumb, I am going to do Happy New Year in gold. I hope everyone has a safe, very safe New Year's Eve. If you have plans to go out, please don't drink and drive. Use one of the numbers on TV that you see for a designated driver. If you are in the U.S., I know here in Michigan, AAA has them out. Certain cab companies have them out where you don't have to pay for a ride. They just come and get you and take you home for free. So please, please, please have a designated driver. Have somebody that can drive you home and be safe so that you have a 2019 to look forward to. So the mani is done. There's my Happy New Year's. I hope you can see that. And I hope you all do have a Happy New Year. I am going to put my No Smudge Top Coat on by Born Pretty. I'm almost out of this. I have to tilt the bottle a little sideways here. Go over it. Cap your edges with it also. Once down the middle, once down each side, back down the middle again. Cap your edges, and it probably wasn't even in frame one time. Sorry about that. Once down the middle, once down each one of your sides. Cap your edge. And my thumb is the last to do. On top of this, I will be putting another top coat. Can't really cap the edge. Not much one of my thumb. It's my stubby nubbin. So this is my manicure for 2019 New Year's Eve. I hope you like. It's really fun doing this and using my Maniology plates. My first time. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this. Give me a big thumbs up if you do. If you're a new subscriber, this is your first time to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell off to the side there to get notified of all future videos. My channel is now and always will be free. I try to mix up my content. We're going to see what 2019 brings for nail art. You never know what I might have in store. I do have a surprise for someone with one of my manicures that's coming up in January. So I hope you'll stay tuned for that. Like I said, please subscribe. I hope you like this video. It was really cool to do this and use the nail foils on the fireworks. Those turned out really cute. Hope the camera really captures those. I don't know. Ooh, turn off that light. I don't know if you can see the hollow in there in some of them. The polish is hollow in there too, but I don't know if you can see it with either light. Sorry. Turn the light back on. Well, now I'm going to go with my Pro FX fast drying or quick drying top coat. I usually use Sesh Feet, but that I'm currently out of. So this is what I'm currently using all the time now. I really like the way this turned out. Super cute and easy to do. Make sure you always keep the edges of your nails. This is what I'm going to be wearing for a little while. Sometimes I don't cap my ends because I don't wear them very long. And there we go. This manicure is complete. One hand anyways. I really hope you like this. Remember, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you're doing for New Year's Eve. Have a prosperous and safe New Year's, please. God bless. Thank you. This is Cherie again. Don't forget, watch the playlist that's down in the comments. Click on each one and watch their videos as well. I know they would appreciate it. Thank you, and have a blessed New Year's Eve.